Hi there, I'm Marie. Today I want to show you a quick way to make this shrimp stir fry with asparagus. Serve it along with steamed rice and you'll have a delicious meal. It takes only a few common ingredients to put it together. We'll use 8 ounces of shrimp and 16 ounces of asparagus. This shrimp has been cleaned, peeled and deveined. To enhance its flavor, I'm going to season it with cornstarch, soy sauce, and cooking wine. I'm using the Xiaoxing brand, but feel free to use any cooking wine you like. Mix it well and set it aside for 20 minutes. Ideally, medium-sized asparagus, about 1 cm thick, works best for this stir fry, but other sizes are fine as well. As you can see, the outer part at the base here is tough and fibrous. To remove it, hold the stalk between the green and white part, and then snap it off. Another way, especially with larger spears, is to peel away the fibrous part. The stem underneath is tender and flavorful, so save it if you can. Rinse them clean, and then cut them into shorter lengths, about 5 cm, which is 2 inches. For aromatics, use chopped garlic and sliced ginger. This vegetable oil is for the stir frying. Next, we put together our stir fry sauce. Here we have a 1/4 cup of water, oyster sauce, sesame oil, and cornstarch. Go ahead and mix the 4 ingredients together. Now we are ready to cook. Using medium flame, heat up 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We'll put in the ginger slices first. Fry them until fragrant. Then add half of the chopped garlic. I'm stirring constantly, making sure they don't burn. Once you smell that garlicky aroma, add the shrimp. I'll stir back and forth so they mix well with the spices. Once they're well mixed, cook each side for about 2 minutes. I separate and turn each one, making sure it cooks through. You can tell they're done when they turn pink and opaque. Once they are, remove them from the hot pan immediately. Otherwise, they'll be overcooked by the residual heat. If you are one of those people who don't like biting into bits of ginger, go ahead and pick those out. Now we return to the hot pan. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, followed by the garlic. Get it nice and fragrant, then drop in the asparagus. Keep stirring so it cooks evenly. Next, add 2 tablespoons of the stir-fry sauce we prepared earlier. The sauce generates steam and helps prevent scorching. Put on a cover and cook for just about 1 minute, so the texture is tender and crunchy. Now we combine the 2 cooked dishes and add the remaining stir-fry sauce. You'll notice the sauce thickens within seconds. Just mix well and it's done. look at this vibrant color. It's so delicious, you simply must taste it. Thank you for watching. Be sure to join me soon for another of my recipes. Bye for now.